Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Welcome.
Thank you so much for the subscriptions, the likes, the shares, the comments. We've been very happy for the support that you've been giving us so far. Today's video is gonna be about similarities we saw between Ghana and Jamaica. If you're interested in the similarities between Ghanaian and Jamaican foods, keep watching this video, like, share, and subscribe. While driving in Ghana, you'll notice a lot of structural similarities between Ghana and Jamaica, both of them being developing countries. If you've never been to Jamaica, this is what it's like. Walking through the streets of Jamaica, like in Ghana, you can easily spot yam, green unripened bananas, which we eat, plantain, in Jamaica we say plantain, Ghanaians say plantain. We share a lot of the same foods and we tend to prepare them in similar ways. So the first thing on the list is buffrot. I hope I pronounced that correctly. It's also called puffpuff. Now every Jamaican watching this is saying, no man, then this is a dumpling. Yes, in Jamaica, we call puffpuff fried dumplings. And we usually have it with ackee and saltfish or any other delicious side.
Here in Zimbabwe, they're similar to something we call fat cooks or magwinya. We don't add like a relish to it.
Oh, okay.
Yes, so
in Ghana they seem to eat it alone.
Yeah, and alone as well. Yes.
Well, Jamaicans will like to spice things up, so we eat it with relish, which is usually ackee and saltfish or really anything else.
Extra Jamaicans, extraness.
All the Jamaicans, please shout out in the comments below. Alright, so yeah, that's puff. And the second thing, you don't like this. He doesn't like this.
Yeah.
In Jamaica, we call it hard dough bread. So hard dough bread is a staple in every Jamaican household. What makes it unique is its dense texture. Imagine my content when I found a similar bread in Ghana. I brought home 3 of those loaves and I thoroughly enjoyed them. We've been to a number of different countries and this is the first country other than Jamaica that I was able to find hard dough bread. Similarity number 3 and my most treasured takeaway from Ghana, plantains. Between Jamaicans and Ghanaians, I'm not sure who loves plantains more, but driving through Jamaica, you'll find plantains like these hanging by the roadside, being sold almost everywhere. It's a food we love. Bless. In Ghana, you'll find plantains by the roadside as well, but most times they're roasted or in the form of fried chips. Just like Jamaicans, Ghanaians like to have fried plantains as a side, and it's just as tasty. It's one of the leftovers that I brought to Zim from Ghana. And initially, you didn't like plantains, right?
Nope.
But you like them now, right?
I tolerate them now, I don't.
Unfortunately, plantains aren't grown in Zimbabwe, so Tony may never get the chance to come to love them. So the fourth thing is something we call bully beef in Jamaica. This is a meal that's cooked in almost every Jamaican household, and I'm sure a lot of Jamaicans thought we were the only ones who eat corned beef and rice. Nope, so do Ghanaians in exactly the same way. Yeah, corned beef in a tin with that key that we turn and open it.
If you ever lost that key, you'd be in trouble. You need to look for a knife or
and go
trouble sometimes. Anyway.
Yeah, I've tried it here in Zim.
Yes. And?
It wasn't the same.
When it comes to meat products, especially beef and chicken, I think Zimbabwean quality is the best. And
this is a discourse for another video.
Oh, Zimbabwean beef, especially Zimbabwean beef.
Well,
you have to try it.
Yeah, it's okay. I give it to Zimbabwe. I think I agree. Their steak, top tier. I think
nowhere else in the world.
I'll give you that. But we are talking about bully beef.
Okay.
not steak.
We actually eat the real beef, so I'll give that to you.
The fifth and final similarity was the flavorful cooking.
Oh yeah.
While in Ghana, we ate at a number of different restaurants, and the food was always flavorful, it was always well seasoned. On the side, we'd get shito, which is a mix of different things, but it was very spicy. You loved shito,
Yeah,
right?
I love shito. Good food.
Yeah, he kept
Good
asking
food.
for it at every restaurant. Can I have some shito?
Yeah, but it made my tummy funny now. I always used to ask Maya, when is this going to stop? He's like, no, your tummy will get used to the shito, so just keep going.
Yeah.
But I love shito.
Much like our Ghanaian family, Jamaicans love to cook with a lot of spices. We often marinate in a number of different seasonings to bring out the flavor in our food. Here in Zimbabwe, I think
We use a narrow variety of spices. There's some spices we're used to, and we stick to that. And we tend to like our food more to the natural, almost self-cooking.
If you taste their food, like a roadrunner stew, that food that's cooked over the wood fire, exactly. They don't add any seasonings really. It's just like onions and tomatoes, but it's so flavorful. So Zimbos can really cook without, adding too many spices. But us Jamaicans and Ghanaians, we love our spices. Ghanaians love them pepper. We love all-purpose and our onion, our thyme, and everything chopped up. And so I thoroughly enjoyed the flavor of all the foods. And I think that's a similarity between Ghanaians and Jamaicans. We cook with a lot of spices.
Yeah. While in Ghana, we ate from a lot of different places, but the highlight was Auntie Maggie's fufu and groundnut stew. Groundnut. Yeah. Groundnut soup.
Groundnut soup and what?
I'll be the one this one. I'll be the one this one.
What's that? Something from the cow.
That's snail.
It's Side note, we did struggle with the concept of not chewing fufu.
Like something. Don't chew, bro. No way.
You're also chewing. If this is your first time watching, please do like and subscribe. Let's
What we here in the southern part of Africa, or East Africa rather, if you go to maybe starting from Uganda coming down, Uganda, Tanzania, Kenya, Malawi, Zambia, Zimbabwe, our dishes they differ a bit, but they're more or less the same. Yeah.
It's so interesting that Jamaica is all the way on the other side of the world, and you guys are actually closer in terms of geography.
Yeah.
To Western Africa, but
And
very
culturally,
similar.
even culturally, there's some things culturally you find that even Ghanaians and Jamaicans are way similar. It's actually funny. Like I think the music, the dances, they're not the same, but you can see the connotations that these things are related somehow. Unlike the southern part of Africa or East, it's a bit different in that regard.
Yeah. So guys, we hope you enjoyed our take on the similarities between Ghana and
I know we actually left a lot. So
a whole lot.
What you can do is go to the comment section, comment, right? And then we can keep the interaction going from there.
Yeah, let's keep it going in the comments.
Yeah,
Awesome.
we can't get everything right.
And I'm sure someone's gonna say, okay, how about the similarities between Zimbabwe and Jamaica? Well, guys, we are on YouTube for a long time.
We're in it for the long run. So.
And he's Zimbabwean, I'm Jamaican. Those are definitely things we're going to delve into. But we need you guys to like, share, and subscribe. Keep sharing with people so that we can have a bigger reach. And all these topics will be coming in the future. Thank you for watching, and do let us know in the comments below whether you like our sit-downs versus or outdoor vlogs, or if you prefer a mixture of both. Don't forget to hit the notification button for an update on our next video.